So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll be doing a weekly recap. So I'll be going through all the trades which I took this week. So without anything, let's get starting. So coming over this week, I only took two trades. Okay, one was on Thursday, one was on Friday. Okay, so I was pretty busy moving into my home. So yeah, because of that, I didn't take any trades except these two. So one I took on live stream, one I just put it on Discord. So yeah, I'll explain you guys why I took those trades. So yeah, the first trade which I took was on a NAS. So what happened was we'll do like a top-down analysis. Okay. So on the daily time frame, okay. So what happened was this was taken in this candle. Okay. So what happened was previous day candle closed bullish, okay, and we took our sell side liquidity. We took our sell side liquidity and then we pushed bullish. So as my daily bias video, I expect like a continuation of the trend. So I wanted at least these highs to be taken out and then pushed more further, okay. So with that, my conviction was that I'll look for buys. On 4 hour, there's nothing much. And yeah, we were into this one fair value gap, which was on 1 hour, okay. So this fair value gap right here, if you can see this. Okay, so we were into this like 1 hour fair value gap. Okay, and then on 15-minute time frame, as I move on, what do we see is I actually wanted to look for buys. Why? Because one thing before coming into the market opens right here. What did we form? We formed like an SMT divergence over here, and yeah, and then the thing that gave me a clear buys because everyone were looking for sells at this point. Okay, so we had SMT divergence, we had like a higher time frame SMT divergence, and then it instantly pushed bearish. So what I was looking for, why I was looking for buys is because we actually made equal highs over here. Okay, so with this SMT divergence, we had equal highs, which acts like a good draw on liquidity, and I was also expecting that Thursday continuation because of my daily bias. So with that, I stood with my daily bias and tried to look for buys. And for me to look for buys, what I wanted to do is to at least come to this equilibrium or below that price. So I wanted either the price to come to discount or to come to the equilibrium. So there was this one very high, high, what do you call, high confident fair value gap that I was like very interested to look for buys. So what happened? We were into this equilibrium. We took out like we came to this fair value gap, instantly reacted there. So yeah, where is it? Yeah, yeah, it came here, and then what happens? We react to that fair value gap. We instantly push bullish. Okay, with very strong candles. The candles only made me look for buys. Okay, and what happened? This trade was taken on live stream. So with that, what happened? We formed a CISD. These candle got closed. Sorry, these two candles got engulfed by these candles. Okay, so we closed above that. I took my buys. SL was somewhere around here. Okay, I think it was 1 minute. Let me. Okay, this was like 1 minute low, okay, and my take profit were all the way till these highs, okay, that was my equal highs which I was actually targeting, okay, and we actually made equal highs over here also. With that, I look for buys till here. Sorry, this was like my full take profit, which would net me around like 2.73 risk to reward. I actually ended up closing it somewhere around here because we actually formed a high like SMT divergence. So I just wanted to close since we didn't have any bearish candle. I thought that it would come retest for a while. So why stick in the trade for so long? But it actually pushed higher till my draws on liquidity got taken out. So yeah, as soon as this 3 minute CSD that got formed, I just took my entry. Okay, that was a pretty nice trade because my draws on liquidity was clear, and this was like a sell side of the curve, and then we started forming like a buy side of the curve. Okay, that was my first trade that I took on NAS. Okay, so the second trade which I took was on S&P. So what happened on S&P before the market opened? We actually formed a news candle high and a low. I actually was too damn confused on why it happened because if we go back, there was no news related to like USD, and we had FOMC which was at 9 p.m. This happened before the FOMC. I was like damn confused on why it happened. Then if you go on to like news, so what really happened was Trump actually announced like 80% tariff on China, which it seems like it's right for him to do that. Because of that, market was unhappy and it dumped, and we actually found a high and a low. Okay. So with that, I really wanted to see uh like like when the market opens to like push higher, take this liquidity and then push lower. Because when the market opened, you have to think like this. When the market opens, is it easier for it is easier for this candle to go here or here as soon as the news open? It's obviously right here, right? It's very closer to that. So with that, what I wanted to see is just come take out the like market open, come take out these highs and then push lower till we take out these news lows. Okay, so with that, and also with that Trump tariffs, I was like little bearish on this scenario. If you go on to like 1 hour time frame, we were actually in this fair value gap right here. So we are actually in this fair value gap right here, and then yeah, uh, and then we were into this 1 hour breaker block, which acts like a forever model in like higher time frame wise. So it was really good to look for buys, and we actually took out like these highs over here. So yeah, with that, my bias was bearish. So what happened? We actually formed like a very clean CISD. That really gave me a confidence to look for like sells. But I risk very less because I was scared of this buy side liquidity, which might get taken out later. We actually pumped higher my stop loss. I'm really grateful for my stop loss, which it didn't get hit. So yeah, we actually formed like an SMT divergence, CISD, enter. The place where I actually entered was this on like 1 minute inverse fair value gap. Okay, so as soon as it came, retested this fair value gap, I just entered my sell, stop loss about this high, take profit these news low. So yeah, that was like very simple trade, which netted me around somewhere close to 3.13 rest to reward. So yeah, that was the trade. Also, something that I've been noticing is that if price really pushes as price is like very trending, you might expect some retrace to look for sales, right? It's actually at the 50% mark of this candle. Okay, so it actually came respected the sun and push bearish. So that's one thing that you can look for. It's like a very small trade recap. So yeah, with that, I'll end my recap. Make sure you like, subscribe, share. Till then, yeah, we'll meet again. Bye.